Well, a little patchy fog already forming tonight, mainly calm, muggy conditions now. But if you look toward northwest, ahead of our cold front, there's a bow echo of damaging winds in northern Illinois, southern Wisconsin. You say, boy, Chad, this is headed our way. We're going to get in on this. Well, there's a reason why the Storm Prediction Center only has the watch to about Joliet. You'll notice the little green line here on the radar. That is the cool air rushing out from the storms. And boy, once that surge is way out ahead of a line, it will tend to cut off the inflow into the storm, the warm, muggy air, and it will eventually collapse. So I'm thinking this is going to collapse with time, though I wouldn't be a bit surprised if an isolated shower or a little thunderstorm holds together long enough to get into our area early tomorrow morning. So we'll put about 20% coverage of a little isolated storm or two from the leftovers of that. But the actual cold front is here, and this is where the really strong upper level winds are. We're getting a lot of severe weather in northwest Iowa. This will move eastward, and then kind of on the tail end of this, which will be here tomorrow, we'll get some storms and could even have a few severe storms as we move into the latter afternoon and evening hours. It was hot and humid today, though. 90 at the station, 90 Monticello. We hit 89 up there at Mariann's weather station, Remington, and it was 91 Fowler and 88 at Burlington. Tonight, the temperatures are running in the 70s generally, still muggy, 75 at the station. Frankfort's at 73, but notice the dew point is 72. We're almost at saturation, and we probably already have some fog near Frankfort. 74 now LFI. We just dropped a degree here in the past 30 seconds. The dew point's at 72. That tells me there's probably already some fog forming. So in the morning, kind of partly cloudy skies. I can't rule out an isolated shower or a thunderstorm kind of hanging on from whatever's left in northern Illinois. Otherwise, some patchy fog in 68. Then we heat up. It turns breezy. 92 at 5 o'clock. Some storms edging in closer. Our storm coverage will peak at 50% right around 5:30, 6 o'clock in the evening. A little patchy fog, an isolated shower or storm in the morning. Hot and humid. Then some storms later on in the day. Some of those will be severe with wind and hail. For more fall-like weather arrives later on in the week. And then we get at least some periodic rain on Saturday. Mid to upper 60s tonight, muggy, 68 Fowler, Attica, 69 Perrysville, and 66 at Camden. 90 to 95 tomorrow with the heat index approaching 100, 93 West Point, 94 at Pine Village. Cooler Thursday, upper 70s to mid 80s, 82 Lafayette, 83 at Attica. Notice in the outlook here, again, if there's anything in the morning really isolated, watch for some patchy fog. Then afternoon, here comes the front. We'll watch severe weather threat. Line of storms, perhaps a couple discrete storms out ahead of that line. We'll swing through. Cooler 82 Thursday, upper 70s Friday, but unfortunately a little wave of rain Saturday, but it gets out of here for Sunday, so a 50-50 weekend. But notice the temperatures cooling off. Looks pretty good. Hot, humid tomorrow, but 82 Thursday. And then after that wave of rain Saturday, overall, not bad with highs generally in the upper 70s.